Hi, I'm Keith and I'm going to show you how to change the air filters on a John Deere 650K. You lift this little tab up right here, make sure there's no debris in it or anything like that. That click means that this tab is down and it's locked in place. We give it a wipe out on the inside here with the old inner air filter in it. The air filters for this machine are behind this little access panel here. You lift this little tab up right here and you have to turn it counterclockwise. And then you give it a little wiggle, and the cap comes off. Now I like to clean the caps out because that's dirty dust that'll just end up with the new air filters getting onto them. I have a little dust valve here. I like to open it up, make sure there's no debris in it or anything like that. Now your outer air filter, it just slides off. Just give it a wiggle, pull it out. Pretty dirty. Now you do have an inner air filter here, but I like to wipe the canister out before I pull that out so no dust gets past the filters. We give it a wipe out on the inside here with the old inner air filter in it. Now that we've wiped it out, you can give the inner filter a little wiggle. It pops out as well. The new one, make sure it's clean. Give it a little wiggle and a push at the same time to make sure it's seated all the way in. And same with the outer air filter. You give it a wiggle and a push, make sure it's seated all the way in. Now we know both those are new, they're both in. We take the cap and we start it on a little bit of an angle. Gotta pull the tab out again. It's all the way in. Now we can turn it to the right and we can actually hear it click. I'll do that again. That click means that this tab is down and it's locked in place. That air filter's been changed. And that's how you change the air filters on a John Deere 650K. Please support the channel, like, comment, and subscribe.